With us now is Emmanuel Rosner, an analyst at Deutsche Bank. It's great to have you here. So how big a deal is this for the stock?
Thank you so much for having me. We think it's definitely a very encouraging recognition. As you know, Rivian is about, on the commercial side, a partnership with Amazon, but they're also launching a consumer brand. And this is a brand that's essentially starting from scratch. And so having this sort of validation is helpful both from a point of view of marketing, being able to essentially go to consumer and say, look, this is a true validation. This will actually get the word out there. It's also probably a little bit helpful for investors as well to sort of see, this is a truck, this is real. It won the title against, some more traditional truck makers, and therefore it's something that people should take a look at.
So you think they're going to hit 385,000 in sales or volumes by 2025, 1.7 million by 2030. Is that already priced into the stock? You have a buy and a 130 price target.
So the way we value the stock, we initiated it with a buy rating and $130 price target, as you said. This was based on 4.5 times 2025 revenues of about $30 billion. I think the valuation metrics for a company that's not have real earnings anytime soon is a little bit more of an art than a science. And the way we went about it is saying, okay, look, you have Tesla at the high end around 8 or 9 times 2025 revenues. At the low end, you have some of the Chinese EV makers like NIO at around 1.5 times, 2 times. This should be somewhere in the middle because it doesn't have Tesla's technology, but it has an incredibly strong partnership with Amazon and could make it a leader in the last mile delivery. So we should cut with about 4.5 times as a target multiple. If investors truly believe in the story, I think there's quite a bit of upside potentially to this multiple. Applying a 5 times would be probably more like $150 price target. So it will be all about execution, and it will be all about the quality and how much traction this truck has actually on the market.